Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now we're going to see the process of target update transmitter. So the target update transmitter constrain on easy allocating of weapons to set of targets. Yeah. So the problem is to allocating a weapon with a set of target is typically of maximum the probability of hitting the all targets. By selecting the target is difficult to hitting it. So by using this, hand colony optimization is used to reduce that probability of maximum size. So the hand colony optimization is search the neighbor nodes and it's reach the target. So the target update transmitter model is to design the maximum probability of mapping. It's a set of most defense weapon against the set of attacking the targets with maximum distribution. So in this missile, we will warning a receiver to support the electronic support system, which widely protect the fixed size of aircraft against the infrared guidance of missile. So to accomplish to this weapon, so we choose the branch and bound algorithm. It's against with the hand colony optimization. So the branch and bound algorithm is multiple path resource which defines the neighbor nodes and reach the target with minimum size. So the hand colony is the single path, but it reach the target with maximum nodes. So these are the difference between the branch and bound algorithm and hand colony optimization. So by this, so we propose the branch and bound algorithm is a best target. Let's see the flow of the process. First is the scenario creation. The scenario creation is used to initial position of the reference point. Then it choose the target detection using geometric value. So the geometric value is from initial to the target test. So it detect using the geometric value to reach its target. Then target path with the AZO. So the AZO is the hand colony optimization. So you choose the target path with the hand colony by a single path reference by using of neighbor nodes, and it reach the targeters. Then next is the branch and bound. So the branch and bound is the multiple target. By the reference point, it chooses the multiple path and it reach the target. By combine the AZO and the branch and bound. So the branch and bound is the best reference point to reach the target by using the minimum time of seconds. So the hand colony is the single path, but it chooses the different neighbors and also the timers is the extended. So by the proposes the branch and bound. Next is the performance analysis. So the performance analysis is the branch and bound is the more efficient and reach the target as the efficient time of target. So this is the data flow for the process of target update transmitter. Let's see the execution of the process. First click the home.java and give run file. So this is the welcome screen for target update transmitter, and click enter to continue the process. So this is the target position 1. So click enter. So these are the initial position for targeters. So from initial to the then these are 3 targeters here. Then in center is the reference point. So select target 1. So in first target, it is a direct hit from initial position to the target 1. So it will be reached. So click next. So this is the overall distance for all position points. So click distance. The distance will be calculated, and select any one of the position and view. So this is the position from first and from the last. So and is the distance. Click next. This is the target 1 position for calculating the transmitting value. So select the initial and view. So from initial position to the target 1 and this distance and this transmitting values. So click to the next target. So this is the target 2 position. So click enter. The position will be initialized and select the target 2. So in target 2 it will be refer from the reference point and reach the target 2. So now it's start from initial and it reach the reference point as SN9 and reach the target 2. So now click next. So this is target 2 transmitting value. So select initial view. So from initial position to the reference point as SN1 and its distance and the transmitting value. So click next. Then this is the next transmitting value from SN9 to target position and its distance and the transmitting value. So by clicking next, here is the total energy value for target 2. So first is the initial to the reference point and reference point to the target position and its total average value for target 2. So by clicking next target, the next target will be applied. So this is the target 3 position. Now click enter. The initial position will be applied and select the target 3. So in target 3 we applied as the ant colony optimization algorithm as ACO algorithm. By using ACO algorithm, it will be refer as the neighbor node and reach its target. So from initial to the SN11 and SN11 is the neighbor node of our 10 and its target. So now it's reached the target. So by clicking next, the distance, the transmitting value will be calculated and initial position and click view. So from initial position to the reference point 11 and its distance and the transmitting value. So click next and next transmitting value will be calculated. So SN11 to SN10 and its distance and its transmitting value. By clicking next, now the reference point to the target point, it will be reached. So from SN10 to SN22 is the target 2 and its distance and its transmitting value, and click next. So click view to overall transmitting value for target 3. So by clicking ACO, it will be validate the ACO algorithm. So in ACO algorithm, it calculate the best distance value and its neighbor nodes. So the process will be the continue. It's loading. This is the bus distance. So here is the number of reference point. So from node 1 to 22. So this is the new best distance and it's random walk. So by clicking next, the target 3 position will be calculated by the branch and bound algorithm. So this is the initial point and select the target 3. So in this position we use the branch and bound algorithm. So branch and bound algorithm is mean by the multiple points to reach. So here we use the multiple reference point to reach the target 3. So from initial position to the next reference point as SN 17 and 5 7. So this is the multiple points. Now it's going to reach the target 3. So by clicking next, it will be calculated the total energy value. So select initial and view. So this is the from SN1 to the SN70 and the distance and its transmitting value. By clicking next, so next reference point to the next reference, it will be calculate the reference transmitting value and click next. So like this we reach as the target. So by these are the multiple reference point to transmitting the values. So this is the last reference point to the reference point and its distance and transmitting value. By clicking next, so it will reach the target 3. So from reference point 18 to 22 and its distance and transmitting value. By clicking next, so total energy value will be calculated for target 3. So click next. So now the branch and bound validation will be shown. So from first 0 and 1 is the null value and 2 is the AG and AG 80. These are the ASCII values and converted to the reference point to the edges, and its second is 0.07 seconds will be reached. Then is the performance values. So the performance values will be used as the branch and bound and algorithm. So The branch and bound is the best algorithm, is better than the ACO algorithm, and its accuracy and its number of reference points is shown. This is the overall process for the target update transmission. Thank you.